teacher, a purveyor of truth and light. I'm a teacher, I was sworn to improve mankind. It's my duty to enlighten the world and guide the young to the path of the Lord. I'm a teacher, I must teach what is good and right. I'm a teacher, I must live what I preach in life. As a model, peace is head of the world. I must in thoughts, words and deeds so good. In the children, I am the future. In their earnings, I find great joy. I may never sit on the throne, but I'm contented, my life is full. Yes, I'm a teacher, I must brave all the roaring waves and the fury of the rivers and wind. These seas I must climb on the mountains and hills, where children learn, wait for my love and care. In a mountain or in a city, what am I not where I may be? I shall keep on bringing the light and live as teacher until I die. I live as teacher forevermore. Okay, may we give ourselves a round of applause.